I'm going to show you why I lose money so that you avoid the mistake that I make. Remember I told you in my early 20s, I do day trade. I do technical analysis. Yeah, so I pay a few $1,000s, no? Serious. To learn one set of skill called technical analysis. And I remember first night, it was a night class. The first night, the lesson was all about Japanese candlestick. Some of you, if you are trading, you will know. Japanese candlestick, that means that night, if the share price like that, like candle like that, with a wick, green color, means that night the share price go up or down? Up, okay. Then that night, right, if it's red color, only two colors only. If it's like that night, share price up or down? Down. Okay, ready? Then the trading trainer drew a diagram. And he asked the class to guess. He drew something like that. He drew something like that. He like that. He said, class, is there a pattern to this share price movement? Actually, initially, I also don't know what he's talking about. Then he drew that. He said like that. Then he drew a dotted line. He said, class, is there a pattern? Some people say, hey. Then eventually he explained. He said there's actually a pattern. What's the pattern? The pattern is, do you realize that every time the share price touches this invisible line, the price go up, and touches the line, it comes down, then touches here, it go up again, then come down again. For those people learn technical analysis, the invisible line is called what? Support line. Sometimes it's the upper support line, lower support line, upper resistance line, lower resistance line. It doesn't matter. Whatever name they call it. But what he's trying to say is got pattern. Like that one, touch, like that, like that. Then he asked the class, here do what? Here, like that, here do what? Wait. Okay, I ask you, you got two choices. Buy or sell, like here. Okay, buy or sell. He asked the class, buy or sell. I ask you, Okay, ready? Okay, here, lower resistance line. Like that. Okay, who say here, you buy one, my chance, buy? Okay, who say here, sell one? Okay, then he asked the class, what is it? Most people say buy. Then the trainer asked, why buy? Because you say here like that, here's supposed to go up, right? Support line, supposed to go up, right? Then the trainer said correct. Then that night we go back home, we press. Why lah? So exciting, you know? Then we press, walao, hood lah. That was the first time I buy stock. Press. Yeah, so first time when I buy stock, you press buy. First time you press buy, what do? Every day you check share price. Every day you check. Then move 1 inch only, you feel very happy. Come down, you feel sad like that. So our mood depends on what took place last night. Like that. So what happened is after I buy 1 week later, the share price went down. So I bought 23, right? It went up 20. The trainer say up, then I press, it went down. So, but lucky the next lesson come in. So next week we went, the same people go back to class. But before the trainer come in, we gossip already. Wait soon, all this. Yeah, then after that, we ask the trainer, why like that? We question him because yours not very accurate. Why like that? He says sometimes it happens. Sometimes happen, you never tell us last week. Happened already, then you tell us. Then he try to cover up or try to complete. He says sometimes it happen. If it happen, it's called breakthrough. Bullshit. Yeah. Then but you don't tell us what name. We only want to here do what. Yeah. Then we ask the trainer, here do what? Give a guess. The trainer say what? He say buy some more. Buy some more. Your last week already, your tip also not so accurate. Buy some more. But he's the only person that we know. So we went back, we a bit suspicious. But it's okay, we press one more time. So we press buy. After we press buy, what happened? The share price dropped further. I never go back. 2 in a row, not accurate. $1,000 all gone. Then, but how? You see, now my position is at the bottom. Not 18. How? 18 how? But I don't know what to do. So luckily, during a class, they introduced me to another person. He's a professional trader. So I asked him how like that. I got stuck. How? He said very easy one. Here you do something called cut loss. First time I learned this term when I was in my 20s. Cut loss. What is cut loss? Cut loss is sell. I said why sell like that? Sell how? He said don't sell. You go to $1 how? The more he say make things worse. Like I got 5 times of cancer like that. Yeah. Like now my stock got cancer. So what happened is what happened was you know what I did? I sold After I sold the share price go up. None of them is accurate. Yeah, so now like that, like that. Why I press the share price drop? Why Warren Buffett press the share price go up? So eventually it was only like 30 years later. Then I realized that share price movement has a logic. Yeah, and I'm going to introduce to you a Nobel Prize winning research. which also means that when to press, when to sell, is supported by science. And let me share with you the source so that you don't take my word for it. You can use ChatGPT to ask, right? Now, the person that found this logic, right, is called Robert Shiller. Yeah, Professor Robert Shiller, he's still alive. He's a professor, right? He's from Yale University, because if you Google, there may be a lot of Robert Shiller. Yeah. So eventually, Robert Shiller spent almost his entire life, and then he discovered two things. And I'm going to share with you so that you save 30 years. No joke. No joke. Now, so what happened is in his research, he discovered something. He tried to see share price movement is a short term. Is there a pattern? And then he tried to see share price in the long term. Now, when I say long, that means 2 to 3 years. Is there a pattern? Is it predictable?